Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can fix the 99% glitch on Kling AI. So basically this is a photo AI editing software, but the free version of this is really famous, so servers might get really glitchy, or since the free version is really popular on this one, so you might just might just want to export your photos or do your photos at a certain time where there are no much people, like for example at midnight. You can go at midnight, do your export there. So yeah, there's really not much fix for this because it's a server traffic for the company. So yeah, you just gotta be patient and just gotta find the right time and just click on refreshing and have a good Wi-Fi. I hope this video helps you out, and thanks for watching.